Today I will start solving from question number 5. Okay, read the question number 5. The sides of triangle are in the ratio 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Okay, so first of all, what are given? So that is class 9 maths. What are given? Question number 5. That is exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1, question number 5. The sides of the triangle, the ratio of the sides of triangle equal to 12 is to 17 is to 25. Okay, this ratio 12 is to 7 is to 25 and given. Okay, now I am taking length of sides are 12x, 17x and 25x. As ratio have been given, so you can take 12x, 17x and 25x. Now, anyone can tell me by using this 12x, one side is 12x, another side is 17x and another side is 25. What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter of the triangle? Perimeter of the triangle, one side is 12x and other two sides are 17x and 25x. What are look at the board. I have asked you what is the perimeter using these three, not 540. 540 is given. Yes, 12 plus 17, that is 12x plus 17x and 25. It is the perimeter, and in the question it is also given the perimeter, and perimeter is 540. So that equal to 540. Anybody have any doubt up to this? Anyone have any doubt? Sum of the sides means perimeter. So perimeter equal to 540. So just add it. So you will get 12, 29, 54x equal to 540. So x equal to 540 by 54, that equal to 10. That equal to 10. So x equal to 10. As x equal to 10, so what is the length of the sides? So length of the sides are 12 into 10, that is 120. 120 centimeter, yes, centimeter. 170 centimeter and 250 centimeter. It is clear to all of you? It is clear to all of you that 120 centimeter, 170 centimeter, 250 centimeter. It is clear to all of you? Okay. Now, okay. So as 120 centimeter, 170 and 150 is given. So what is S? First of all, any one of you tell me what is S? What is S? S means half perimeter or semi perimeter. Half perimeter or semi perimeter. That is 540. Perimeter equal to 540 and semi perimeter means or half perimeter is 540 by 2, that is 270. So 540 by 2, that is 270. Okay, 270 centimeters. Okay, it is clear to everyone? It is clear to everyone? Now just I am wrapping this portion only. Okay. So what is the formula of area? That is Heron's formula. A is into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. And S minus C. Okay. Next. So A is equal to 270. 270 minus 120. 270 minus 120, that will be 50. 270 minus 170. 270 minus 1. Sorry student, that will be 150. Okay. 270 minus 120, that is 150. Not 50 only. Okay. And 270 Okay, anyone have any problem? Next, just break it in this way. 270. 270, you can write it 270, that is 30 into 9. 150, 30 into 5. 100, 20 into 5 into that 20. Again, I am explaining. 270, I have written 30 into 9. 150, I have written 30 into 5. 120, I have, sorry, 100, I have written 20 into 5 and 20 into 20. Now, just that's the pair. This 30 and this 3 comes out of the root, that will be 30. This 9, root 9 is 3 into 3, comes out from the root, that is 3. 5 and 5, it also come out from the root, and last one 20 is 20, that is 1. Okay, so it will be, that is 30 to centimeter square. Most probably it is the answer. Okay, most probably it is the answer. Okay, get it everyone? Got it everyone? You have any problem? Okay. Now question number 6. Moving on to question number 6. Okay, read the question number 6. An isosceles triangle has perimeter. An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 cm. Each of equal sides are 12 cm. Find the area. Okay, so it's a very easy sum, students. So isosceles triangles means we know that if two sides of any triangle are equal out of 3 sides, then it is called isosceles triangle. Here perimeter is given. Perimeter is given, that is perimeter equal to 30 cm. Perimeter equal to 30 cm, and equal sides are 12 cm. Equal sides are 12 cm. So I am taking the third side, let third side is x cm. Okay, so what are the length of the sides of the triangle? 12 cm, 12 cm and 8 cm. According to the question, 12 plus x equal to, it is the perimeter, first side, two equal side and third side. So first side, second side and third side, that equal to 30 cm. It is clear to everyone? It is clear to everyone? Yes or no? 12 plus sum of 3 sides, that equal to perimeter. Perimeter will be 30 cm given. Now 24 plus x equal to 30. So x equal to 6. X equal to 6. Okay. Now if x equal to 6, so sides are 12 cm, 12 cm and 6 cm. Okay. Now students, what is the value of s? What is the value of s? area of the triangle you will use the Heron's formula. So that is area equal to S, that is 15 minus A, 12, 15 minus B, 12, and 15 minus 6. It is clear to everyone? It is clear to everyone? That's 15 into 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, and 15 minus 6. Okay, so therefore, that 15 I can write it 5 into 3, 3, and that 9, 3 into 3. So make it pair. One pair, two pair. So 9 root 15 is the answer. These two 3's comes out of the 3 root, that is, and root. So root 15. So 9 root 50 centimeter square is the answer. 9 root 15 centimeter square is the answer. It is clear? It is clear? Okay. So any sums is left in this exercise? Tell me quickly. Any sums is left in this exercise? That is 12.1? No. And 12.2 is not in our syllabus. 12.2 is not in our syllabus. I hope you know that 12.2 out of the syllabus. This is the reduced syllabus. Okay. So only one chapter is left in our syllabus, that is construction. That is construction. Okay. And it will be better if anyone can say that in construction there is full portion or some portion are deleted. Some portion are deleted, yes or no? In construction chapter? Sir, which chapter are not? Which chapter are not syllabus? Full is there, okay? So construction next day, from the next day, full is there. Okay, I will check it. I am asking you because I have not seen yet. That's why I am asking you that all the exercises are in our syllabus, yes or no? Okay, or some portions are deleted. Okay, so as we have the time, because already 3 minutes we have, 10 minutes we have. Okay, now anyone can tell me what is the formula of area of equilateral triangle? Anyone? Root 3 by 4. Root 3 by 4 only. Root 3 by 4 into A. Rajanna, yes, root 3 by 4 into A square, root 3 by 4 into side square. Now, find out the area. A triangle whose side is B unit, and B unit. Okay. Find its area using Heron's formula. Find its area using Heron's formula. by 2, A means minus B, 3b by 2, B means B, and 3b by 2, that is B. Okay? That is the next. 3b by 2, it will be B by 2 into B by 2 into B by 2. Okay, now look at the board. In the denominator, 1 2 is come out, that is 1 by 2. These 2 and these 2, that is 1 by 2. And root of only 3 is there, and B into B, B square into B square. So 1 by 4, I hope you can watch the board. 1 by 4, root 3 is there, and B comes out from the root, that is B, and in this B. So the formula is root 3 by 4 into B square. So root 3 by 4 into sine square. Okay? Got it, everyone? Got the proof, everyone? Okay, so I have derived the equilateral area formula by using Heron's formula. Okay, so student, I end this class here. I hope tomorrow you will have the class. Tomorrow you will have the maths class, and that class I will start. Construction. Okay, so from the next, how many exercises are there? We will first we will look after what is the syllabus, any portion is deleted or not, and also you also look this, just check the syllabus, which portion is deleted, and I will also check that syllabus, then I will start. Okay, so now give your attendance.